In order to use Cine-Q, you have to have some data in the system. If this is a new instance that you're working on, then click on the step 1 tile of your dashboard, or go to the left side, click on data, click on members, and you'll be taken to the members module. Here you can add members manually by clicking on the new member button on the upper right, or you can do a bulk import by clicking on the import button. You have to make a decision whether your data is a members data or an interactions data. If you're not sure about what interactions are, then you just have to think about, let's say, your purchase history, your store visits, your call logs, etc. Those are your interactions, so you can have one or many interactions for each of your members. In this particular instance, our data is a members data, so that's what we're going to select. You can drag your CSV into this box, or you can click on the button and locate your CSV file and click on import to read the CSV. Over here on the left side, you can see all the field names that are currently in your CSV file. So you have to map each of these fields that you want to import into Cine-Q. You have to map them to a Cine-Q field. So the CRN maps to the CRN field. The first name, last name maps to the first name and last name. Now we have a field called gender in our CSV file, but as we can see it, we don't have a gender field in Cine-Q at this stage. So we're going to click on the create custom field, and we're going to give it a field type, and the placeholder will be gender. That's just what the field is going to display when there is no data in it. And the destination is members, so you can create a new custom field for members, interactions, media, or folder modules. So currently we're working on the members, so we're going to create a new members field, and you can see over here you can have this field displayed on forms, and it will be searchable, and it will also show on tables. So let's go ahead and create this new custom field, and here we go. We have the gender field mapped to the gender Cine-Q field. We also want to import the email address, and we're not really interested in the other fields. Maybe the consent to marketing is interesting because we don't want to target anybody who is not consented to marketing. And we're going to save this field mapping as a preset. So let's call it demo1 underscored members. Over here on the top, we also have to make sure that we select the correct lookup column. Because our data contains CRN numbers, we leave it as CRN, but we can also use the email address as the lookup column. It can get quite complicated, so we have another video going into more detail in regards to that. So let's go ahead and click on process. It will take a few moments to upload larger number of records, but the system will notify you as soon as all those records are uploaded. So this is how you create members in Cine-Q.